Alrighty, go to the grocery store. Thought my tire would be a little lower. I think I got something in my tire because it goes down quite often. It looks alright right now, but I'm still going to check the air, do a quick overview of my new air pump I got. So we'll see, check the pressure of the tire and everything. I got this from Amazon. Got a pretty good rate. And I had another one before. Here we go. So this is the nozzle of the original air pump that I had. I was trying to save it because I thought I might be able to repair it, but every place I checked, I couldn't find the part. So as you can probably see, there is a piece of plastic in there. So it's just a little skinny piece of plastic that keeps this head on here, right? So I was rough with it one day, not paying attention, you know, thinking it was more sturdy than it was, and it just snapped right off. So when I looked for one that didn't have that little headpiece on it, this one screws on, so there's no piece to break off. It just screws on. So I was like, that's much better, and hopefully it'll last longer. So it's a straighter valve, same as my bike and dangle stuff. All right, here we go, out the box. First time bringing it out. Yeah, it comes with a nice little carry case. This thing was pretty cheap. I'll put the price up, the Amazon price up for y'all so you can see it. Comes with some attachments. So if you got basketball, football, or like maybe this thing right here, if you got fill up your exercise ball, stick that in there, you can blow it up. So also has an extra fuse, which is nice. It's like 41 degrees today, and I'm like bundled up. That's super cold for us down here in Texas, so still a pretty day. Cold as hell. My hands are getting cold. Yeah, this is an old gray mare. Crank on up, baby. That's what I call her, the old gray mare. Old gray mare ain't what she used to be. That dude gets me around. She paid for. I'm gonna drive it till the wheels fall off. All right, I untangled the wire, the connection, plugging into the cigarette lighter adapter. All right, so it's definitely on. When you plug it in, the lights come on. So it's got 4 LEDs on it. So in the middle of the night, you need a light, working on your top car, you have a flat or something, you got a nice little light there, which is nice. And I like how the cable stays tight in here. With my other one, you wrap the cable around, both of them. There's extra slack that you didn't know where to put it. So this one wraps tight. I'm gonna put this on. So I like that. You screw it on, very simple. Less room for failure, and it looks like it's brass, has brass fittings on it. Take this off. So, since it's got 23 I think that's PSI. Yeah, Central America's PSI. I just got it the other day. I think they put it to 35 PSI, 34, 35, so that's what I'm gonna try. Jump way up there. Okay. 40. So I'm gonna just do 35. And then we hit the on switch, it's down here. Not bad. My last one was real noisy. This one's very quiet. It's got rubber feet. It doesn't move around. The other one's super light. It just bounces around. So this is the EPAuto 120 watt waterful tire inflator air compressor. And I also use this to air my bike. Okay guys, to spare you all that noise of the air compressor, I just wanted to show you how long it took to inflate the tire. All right, you can see by the audio here how it gets more noisy. That's when the air compressor kicked on right at this point. So from there to down here is where it turned off. So if we measure that, there to there. Okay, that is, if we look down here, selected section, I hope this camera picks it up, it's 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So from 23 PSI or whatever it was to 35, it took 2 minutes to fill, which I think is pretty good. All right, now back to the show. All right, we'll go a little bit higher. We'll go 37, see what happens. Ran it up, so I'm gonna turn it off, turn it back on. Of course, I didn't read the directions. 37. What you gonna do? Try to turn it off, turn it back on. Alright, that's it, 37. So that's it, y'all. The EPAuto 120 watts tire inflator, air compressor. I think I got this one for 35. They had like a blue one that was 37. It was like a couple more. I was like, I don't care what color it is. Give me the cheapest one. And that's what I got. I think they had a red one or something, so I opted for the green. I was like, whatever, it don't matter. And like, you know, I'm just sporting this out somewhere. One last thing, it wraps back up real neatly. Very easy, just like I took it off. You just wrap the hose around. And it fits nice and snug in there. And the cable has a nice Velcro strap that stays on the cable, so it's easy to knot that back up. All right, the bag is scrunched down some, so yeah, it goes back in there easy. It'll be able to do it faster in time, but yeah, this is a nice little doodad to have. So I'm gonna throw this back in the trunk, be on my way. All right, I'm out for real this time. Hope y'all have a great day and an awesome 2021. Peace.